What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will be looking at exercise 63 of our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Exercise 63. In the, In the game of Scrabble, each letter has points associated with it. The total score of a word is the sum of the scores of all its letters. More common letters are worth fewer points, while less common letters are worth more points. The associated points with each letter are shown below. 1 point A, E, I, L, N, O, R, S, T, and U. 2 points D and G. 3 points B, C, M, and P. 4 points F, H, V, W, and Y. 5 points K. 8 points J and X. 10 points Q and Z. Write a program that computes and displays the Scrabble score for a word. Create a dictionary that maps from letters to point values. Then use the dictionary to compute the score. A Scrabble board includes some squares that multiply the value of a letter or the value of an entire word. We will ignore these squares in this exercise. Okay, guys, so this question is one that's easy and it is interesting, right? The goal of this question is to test our looping concept and logic over a dictionary in Python, and it's going to be an interesting one. Let's get to it. So first things first, we need to have a dictionary defined. This dictionary is going to be one that's kind of long, and so we need to make sure that we define it correctly. So let's go in order, right? We'll follow these little hints or text prompts that they gave us, and we are creating a dictionary that's mapping every letter of the alphabet. That means A from A to Z to a corresponding Scrabble score, okay, that the letter holds. So let's do this. We begin with A. A has a value of 1. So to make life easy, what I am going to do is copy this, okay, and we'll adjust it as needed. So after A is B, B has a score of 3. Then comes C, 3. D has a value of 2. A, B, C, D, E. E has a value of 1. F has a value of 4. G has a value of 2. H has a value of 4. This will be I. I has a value of 1. J has a value of 2. K has a high score, right? K is worth 5 points. It's actually the only letter in Scrabble that's worth 5 points. J, K, L. L is worth 1 point. M is worth 3. N is worth 1 point. O is also worth 1 point. P is equal to a value of 3 points. PQ. After Q, so first let's check. Q is actually worth 10 points. So that's quite a bit of points there. Q, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's see. R is worth 1 point. S is worth 1 point as well. T is worth 1 point as well. U is worth 1 point. V is worth 4 points. W is worth 4 points. X is worth 8 points. Okay. Y is worth 4 points, and finally Z is worth 10 points. So I'm just going to browse through this dictionary, make sure we did not repeat a number. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So that's good. We have catered for all 26 letters of the alphabet. We've mapped them to the, respective or appropriate Scrabble point score. Okay, so this next portion is easy, right? Really, all we are doing is taking, or we are reading in a word from the user in the form of a string. Please enter a word. Next, we are going to take that word and we're transforming it or converting it into uppercase. This is easy. We are using a Python method. It's a built-in Python method that's used on strings. It's called upper. It will transform the string or any text to uppercase. Okay, uppercase is capitals. So we set up a counter variable, so this will be our score. It will be used to keep a track of the total, okay, total points. So for character in uppercase, which is basically that word, we can set score is equal to score plus points character. Okay, that's easy. We are using a dictionary technique that's used to retrieve the value that's attached to a specific key. In this case, the key is the character, which is representing the letter that makes up the word. And since we are iterating or looping through every character, we are effectively getting the score for each letter, and we are keeping a track of the total score, which would make up the total score of the word at the end of the loop. So print the score associated with the word %s is %d. Let's provide formatting for those placeholders. So first is the string, which is basically word, and then is the score, which is score. So that's that, guys. We've actually completed coding this problem. Let's do testing on this program now. So control enter. Please enter a word. Let's keep it fancy. Let's do maybe Python. And score associated with the word Python is 14. Now, how true is that? Let's actually have a look at the logic in our program. So Python, let's manually add. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So yeah, the program works exceptionally well. Let's test this program again. It is an interesting one. So what can we do? Let's do zebra, and the score associated with the word zebra is 16. So an interesting program, guys. We have concluded this program. We have successfully catered for all the requirements and what was necessary. So with that, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.